I have 5 hours to pack. Why did I do this to myself? Look at my room. Kalani has a competition in Dallas in 2 days, so they're doing like a parents performance before they go. So we're getting ready. Look at that hair. Ooh. Yeah. I couldn't find nobody. I don't know how to braid, so I couldn't find nobody to do Kalani's hair for tonight, but it'll be done tomorrow, and we leave Thursday for Dallas. We're going to Dallas. Ooh, and she just turned around and see. Yep. Long hair, don't care. Oh boy, we could just wear it like this. Did you get the hair bows? Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. She thinks she's cute. I wish I knew how to braid. Are you nervous? No. No? You just ready to get it over with? Yes. Hold your head down. You got it kinked up and curly. I blow dried it, what, 2 days ago? No. It's just a comb. It ain't gonna hurt. Ouch! Be for real.
I don't like this uniform.
You don't like it?
No.
Why?
This comb is dirty.
It's dirty?
Yes.
I didn't know. I just grabbed one.
Stuff all over.
I can't see that, girl. Let me see if I can run it up. This one clean. See, that don't hurt, do it? Hello? That don't hurt, do it?
It does.
Slide over.
Ouch! You scratched me.
I didn't need to. Forgive me, child. What should we do? A ponytail. I can try to braid it. Okay, guys. You can put your lipstick on while I'm doing this. This is how you finna wear it. Just like this.
Stop. I'm not gonna wear my hair like that.
Why? It's cute. Ooh. Show them. Ooh. Okay. We know how to braid. Here we are. Let's get over. It's me trying to braid this hair is what? And you just letting me. Hold your head over.
You could just do it like that. There's too many diamonds on this uniform.
Shine bright like a diamond. Oh.
No, it's like shine bright like a diamond. Oh.
You're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
Take that out for me. So I can hold it to this braid.
Why are you tying it up?
Let me do this. Oh, you girl. So don't come loose because I'm not the best braider.
We're beautiful.
Would you like for me to just do it this way for now, for tonight? Or do you want me to put the clip-ins in? I'm scared the clip-ins gonna come out.
Why?
Want me to try the clip-ins?
No.
Let me know we gotta go.
No.
Okay, so I'm just put the hair bow in. They asked, just tell me you can hear it done tomorrow. This is all mommy could do. Turn, let's see. Oh! I'm a braider. Try not to tumble too hard because we don't know if the braid is gonna stay.
Like how?
By the time I pick you up, I know before and after picture. Because I just know.
I have to stretch my tumbler in that first pass. So I don't get hit. But other passes, it really don't matter. But the run up, I can't sprint.
Did you hit on her?
It's just the 2 passes that I have to tumble hard.
Hit on her? I said over, not down, girl. Be for real.
Go wear to school like this. Like that girl from, I don't know, the show's called. It look like, the hairstyle look like the girl from that show. With her hair sticking up. Got lipstick stain on my hands.
Let these folks get on your nerves tonight, honey, about this hair. Okay?
Okay.
It is what it is.
You should try.
Yeah. Okay. Girl. All right, let's go. Come on, we gotta go. Beat traffic. We ready? What? We ready? What? We ready? Oh, yo, we ready? It's her with this AirPod in. The only one that worked. Did you get your lipstick? Did you get your lipstick? I hope your hair lasts. All right, we'll see y'all when we get there, and I'll show y'all her routine or parts of it. Think y'all gonna hit 0? Girl, y'all gotta get it together. Y'all are going against 3 other teams. I hope y'all hit tonight, because you got 2 days to get right. The competition is in 2 days. We are back from cheer. We were there from 6:30 till 10 o'clock. I can't make this up. Anyways, Kalani's in the tub. She has a hair appointment tomorrow, so I guess I can take you guys to that. I am probably going to call out of work and say I have a stomach bug or something, because I am just exhausted. We were late today. We were late yesterday. It's just... Anyways, yep, so she has an appointment tomorrow, and then we leave Thursday for Dallas. So she also has a ceremony for school, because she's doing good in school. So she has another ceremony that I'm going to try to attend. So I can either go to work and do a half day, or just call out and tell her work from home. I'm probably going to tell her work from home, because I need to pack and wash clothes for our trip. We'll be gone for 4 days. So yeah, I'm ready for bed. I'm waiting on her to get out of the tub to make sure she's okay. At least they fed them. They had food for them, so I didn't have to cook, which was a first, because normally they keep them really late, and then I have to still come home and cook. So yeah, I probably should get up and make me something, because I haven't eaten. So yeah. Guess we'll catch you guys tomorrow at Kalani's hair appointment. I tried to braid her hair. My goal is to learn how to braid this year, especially her hair. Like I can do get my braid down. I did this braid down. It's been a week and it already looks a mess. I'm obviously not a braider, or my hair is growing. I don't know which one is it. Probably both. Anywho, I think I'm gonna try to take a class to learn how to braid so I can save money, because now I have to take her to a stylist tomorrow to get 2 braids, 2 stitch braids put in. Anywho, it's been a good day, a good week. Good night. See y'all in the morning. Or in the afternoon. Our appointment's at 5:30 after school. Catch you guys later. Bye. I love you. Good morning. We go to Dallas tomorrow. Whoop, 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 whoop. We are on our way to school. We're on time today. We were late 2 days in a row because of this girl. We made it through the week, girl. Alright, Kalani has to get her hair done later, so we'll see y'all then. Well, I might record when I go to her ceremony. I asked her if I didn't go to her ceremony, would she be upset? She said yeah, because she wants to leave school early. She was already late 2 days in a row. Now she want to leave early and gonna be out Thursday and Friday for this competition. Hey, we'll see y'all later on sometime today. I'm teleworking today, I believe. I don't think I'm gonna go in. I'm tired.
That's not fair.
It's not fair.
No.
I wish you could telework for school, but you can't. You gotta go in person. Sorry, kiddo.
Well, they can do school.
Online?
Yeah.
You have to tell them.
What grade did?
Like virtual?
Yeah.
It's because it was the pandemic. Don't do it, my boy. Atlanta people, they just walk in front of cars and expect you to stop. I will hit you for 200 points. Please, if you're going to cross in front of me, it needs to be knees to chest. Then they'll be walking slow. Anyways, I'm on my way to the school to go to Kalani's ceremony. I'm so proud of my baby. So they do like a step testing for reading, and you have to reach a certain level. So you have to get to level 12, and she's finally reached it, and it's not even the end of the school year. So I'm so glad that we are done with that, because I was a little worried there for a minute. Yeah, but mommy was there every step of the way, helping, made sure she was getting everything she needed. Tutoring, basically, my own kid. But yeah, I got this band on my head. It's not even a band. I just pulled it off a dress. So my lace would lay, because I posted a video on TikTok, right? And this guy's like, lace very much visible. Okay, I am not a wig guru, a wig influencer, nothing. I don't even know how to braid, sir. So he just coming for me. Anyways, today I used Got to Be Glue to lay it down. Not the glue, the spray, just a little bit, because it's actually a good wig. I've been having this wig for 2 years now. These cars, it's like they make up their own rules to drive in. I don't think they have like do they have driver's school anymore? I know I went to driver's school to learn how to drive, but I'm not sure they offer that anymore, because the way people just make up their own rules on the highway is insane. Absolutely insane. I can't be going in there looking ashy. Kalani's friends gonna be like, oh my god, Kalani's mommy. The kids love me. Okay? I don't know what it is. They just love me. I'd rather deal with a bunch of kids than a bunch of adults any day. But yeah, I'm teleworking, so I brought my computer with me. It's in the seat. Can you see it? It's in the seat. And I'm using my hotspot on my phone. But I'm off tomorrow. I took off tomorrow and Friday for the competition. So I'm so nervous. Traveling with my kid always has my nerves shot, because I just hope we don't get kidnapped. Like we look like two little girls traveling. Two young girls traveling. Very vulnerable. I don't know if I showed y'all my eyebrows. I got my eyebrows done. Anyways, I'll see y'all at the school or at Kalani's appointment at 5:30. Bye-bye. we're done. Congratulations. We're on the way. Come on, let's get on the sidewalk so we don't get hit. What you was scared of?
Because I could have had tripped, could have failed, could have forgot my name.
Kalani said she was scared because they made them come to the front when they called their names.
They had to turn around to the parents. I was already scared.
Oh my god.
The kids were just looking at the back of
Oh Jesus. What you just saying? They finna call my name? They finna call my name?
Because I know Eden was in my classroom, so I got scared.
Oh gosh, I cannot. All right, we are on our way. It's finna rain. Look at my little whiskers up here. We're on our way home. Kalani wants to celebrate.
My friend Janaya said, you talking about her with the wig? I said, how did you know the wig? She said it looks fake. yeah.
Wow, everybody just eating up my wig today. Does it look that bad, guys? I don't think it does. It's just, you know, it's 28 inches.
Yeah, that's why. And also because she saw you the last time.
Oh, and I had,
yeah,
and I did. Yeah. She outed me. Wow. That's the second kid. Okay, so Kalani, she has like cheerleading friends, whatever. And it's two of them that kind of like run up to me and speak or whatever. And the little girl's like, is that a wig? And the coach was like, oh my gosh, don't say that. That's not nice. And I just giggled because I don't think nobody used to me having my hair done. Because a lot of people have been saying stuff.
No, it's because people see you with your real hair.
Oh, yeah.
They know it's a wig or something.
And now I got this 28-inch bust down middle part. It's a good little wig though.
You could have got a side part.
She wanted me to get a side part blowout. Anyways, I put this wig on by myself. I think it looks decent for me to not know how to do hair. And you talking, look at your hair. Look at your hair.
This is what she did to my hair.
It's okay. We're going to do a little transition. So the next time they see you, you're going to be looking cute. You already look cute, but you're going to be looking cuter. Slay! Slay, queen. Slay.
That look like, what's it called?
Cindy Lou?
Yeah, Cindy Lou.
Oh, okay, girl. I need to eat. I ain't ate nothing all day.
Probably because you was working from home, but you could have ate something.
I was washing clothes and packing and stuff.
Oh, you packed?
No, I didn't pack.
Be for real.
It sounded good. It sounded good.
You still got watching phone?
I don't know. I think I'm just so nervous about going. Because it's me and you.
You could have let somebody else come with you, didn't
I'm not in charge of anybody else, okay?
you? You could have had your mom. You could have had.
She could have went if she wanted to go. Nobody was stopping her. I just wasn't paying for nobody to go.
She said, I asked her, are you going to the competition? And she said, no, your mom don't want nobody going with you.
She's dramatic. I told her I'm not paying for anybody, and then she says, well, nobody wants me to go. Okay, girl. Okay, because money grows on trees. Okay. It's finna rain. It's finna storm. I hope it don't storm tomorrow on our flight. I know, right? We're both scary.
Scary looking up bridges.
So we just got home. I'm gonna make lunch because I'm starving and I didn't eat breakfast. I don't know what it is. I can't eat breakfast for real like that. Like, I don't get hungry until like between 12 and 2. So I got some salmon from Publix, some asparagus. So I'm gonna cook something quick. It's like the quickest meal you could ever make. I need to to get a tripod. So, ASAP, pronto. I'm trying to think where I can put y'all at. Ooh, okay. Off and then cut the ends off. I love when they're thick like this. Ooh, I done dropped one on the floor. Thick like me. Okay. So I cut the ends off. Now I'm gonna get my seasoning. Garlic. I dropped y'all. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm gonna give the tripods. Stay. Okay. Pepper. Basil. Onion powder. Salt. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna use a skillet and I'm gonna get some olive oil too. Let me find somewhere to post y'all up at so y'all can see what's going on. What's going on? Ooh, that's the wrong one. I love a gas stove because it's easier to cook. It's faster. Did you take those clothes out, little girl? And I'm gonna drop these in there and let them steam. I have like extra seasoning. Spray the tub down so you'll be ready to get in it later. I was looking for a lid because I like to steam them. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put a little bit more olive oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my salmon. And I'm gonna use the same ingredients for my salmon. So I got the brown sugar salmon from Publix. And it's already seasoned, but I like to add extra to it. It stinks. Let me show you. Salmon cooks so quick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fillet these. I'm gonna use my knife and cut down the middle of them. Because if I don't, it's gonna take longer for them to cook. And then like the outside will be cooked, but the inside won't. So I just cut down the middle. And they gave me small pieces. I'm gonna bust these down today. It's only 2 o'clock. for y'all, but YouTube be tripping. And this is brown sugar salmon, so I do have extra brown sugar. It just makes it better. Like so, but the seasonings I put, it'll be like a kind of like a chipotle flavor, like sweet and salty or sweet and spicy, something like that. All right, so I'm gonna get my olive oil. This is what keeps it from drying out. So I'm gonna put that on both sides. And everything I use on my asparagus, I'm going to put on here, including the brown sugar. And I'm gonna do both sides. I don't put salt on my salmon though. I'm not gonna do that. And I think because they already seasoned it, salt is just gonna make it saltier. So, no, we ain't gonna do that. Get the brown sugar. Brown sugar, baby. Brown sugar. Somebody and I'm just gonna pour some in on the side and then just sprinkle a little bit over it. Because I don't eat a lot of sugar either. But it just makes the flavor pop. Y'all, I cried at Kalani's ceremony. Because she's just growing up to be a big girl. And for me to be doing it by myself, I'm just so proud. We made it. Because my baby, I was concerned for a little bit. She's like, I can't believe you cried. Girl, really? It's very on brand for me. Super on brand. So I season one side and then I'm going to put them all in the pot. And then I'm going to season the other side while that one side is cooking. If that makes sense. Because the seasoning will try to come off if I flip it on this thing and then my seasoning will be gone. Thank you, child. You need to be pulling out your cheer stuff. You heard me? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Pull out everything that you have related to cheer for CAO. So I can see what's going on. So Kalani's gonna help me pack. That's why I love this age, because she can help me. Help me, help her, help me in the long run. Okay. So I am still teleworking. It is, what time is it? Like 4 o'clock? That can't be right. 6:56. If so, we missed our appointment. Alexa, what time is it? 3:28. All right. So I'm gonna let my oil heat up. I'm cooking food. If you would like to eat, you can. Okay. I'm cooking her something to eat. She just told me she wasn't hungry. I normally cut that little brown part out. I should have cut the brown part out. Anyways. Dang, I should have cut the brown part out. The brown part tastes funny to me. And I'm doing this with one hand because I don't have a tripod. And I need to invest in one. I'm doing this left-handed. Alright, I'll be back when it's done. Lunchtime. It's probably hot, little girl. So I got something in the mail. I volunteered to be a part of an Atlanta Science Festival. Cute. They use gilding. That's what I use for my shirts on Etsy. Okay, quality, yeah. They sent me a letter too. Hi there, thank you for volunteering with the Atlanta Science Festival. So I joined this through my job. So it was just something for me to volunteer to do and give back to the community through the kids. It's a cute shirt. They did good. We're in line for Starbucks. I've been swindled. I've been finessed by an 8-year-old to stop by Starbucks before her appointment. And we got about, it's 5:09, we gotta be there at 5:30. Let's see what time we're gonna make it. But yeah, we're here at Starbucks on this rainy day. It's just those rainy days, and I'm gonna wash away. Smile for me, smile for me. You don't like that song? You don't know that song. It's Ashanti and Ja Rule. You don't know that song? It's just those rainy days. Or it might be Mary J. Blige. Smile for me, smile for me. I wanted y'all to hear my order. I'm gonna get her a strawberries and cream frappuccino. It doesn't have any caffeine. It's pretty much just sugar. That's what she wants. And we gotta hop out this line because they're taking a while. And we're gonna be late to our appointment. Can I do a strawberries and cream frappuccino?
Yes. Is that all for you?
That has no caffeine in it, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that works. And that's it.
All right, you gotta pull it out.
Okay. Say what? You talk about a cake pop. You got a cake pop at home in the pantry that you haven't even eaten. Girl, go ahead on. Anyways, are we gonna make it to our appointment on time? Come back on the next episode of the K&K Journey. I need some chapstick on my lips. My lips, they're not dry, but they look black. Oh, she must have heard me. Cause girl, that's about to hold me. Thank you. Here. It was fast. I have 2 gift cards. I don't know if anything's on them though.
Okay, so 543 is your remainder.
Okay. You can just throw those away if you want. Thank you.
All right, enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at that big old drink. She didn't even need that. They should have gave me something smaller. Oh my God, traffic is bad. We gonna be late. Fooling around with you. Oh. How we get up out of here? How we get up out of here? He was trying to not let me out there, but I wasn't trying to get in front of you, sir. I just wanted to get out and make this left. so we don't be late to our appointment. Oh my God. I'm doing 80 on the highway, trying to get back to yellow. Oh my God, it's a line right here too. Oh boy, we about to be late. Oh. Oh my God. We're gonna make it. We got 13 minutes to get there. 13 minutes. Thanks. All right, I gotta use my GPS because I have no idea where I'm going. So we'll call y'all back. So we just finished getting Kalani's hair done. We'll have to show you when we get home. She looks so stinking cute. She's like, I look like a baby dog. Girl, bye. All right, she feeling herself, honey. We on our way home. I gotta pack. Hopefully we don't need anything. I feel like we have everything at home. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get home. Or tomorrow, when it's time for us to run around with our head cut off. And be lost at the airports. All right, bye-bye. I have 5 hours to pack. Why did I do this to myself? Look at my room. I just got stuff everywhere. Okay, I need to focus. Because my thing is, they be tripping about bags lately. I don't know. And then they said the bag gotta be 40 pounds and under. I feel like it's more than 40 pounds. And then Kalani has a bag and they're like, I don't know if it passes as a personal item or if it's upgraded to carry-on. I don't know. Ooh, not me moody, y'all. Okay. So I got me 2 new books to take to read. And I'm packing all these clothes. We're gonna be gone for all of 2 days for real. My bags are not over. I'm back. At this point, I'm over it. Over it. I'm over it. I had this bright idea to do 1 check bag for us. To just have 1 bag. So I would be responsible for 1 bag and 1 bag only. Then I don't have nobody to take it to the airport because my dad is not in town. So I gotta park the car at the airport, then get to the airport, and then check my bag. I'm just a little stressed. I think this is why I waited to the last minute. Because I am just nervous. Nervous. Oh, nervous. I'm gonna have to take the big suitcase. Since I got this thing packed down.